VR handloom industry. Antique collection. Oh, online hong online khâu dấu chết là vợ tại hiền ta tới po hiền hey traditional tree te hey phê te ông rất anh đi gần thấy dễ là ngó yêu đi te whereby dini ania dress sang bag te ti don ni ta hian na tlang handloom producer company limited te het a hian KM handloom industry apple juice te pok an nei don ani traditional dress sang nen family line hi handloom le traditional dress deuh vek an ni a moi lom em rengot mei ni mizo kut chuak unique deuh vek an ni unique lom khop mai he lama hian mesak handloom industry le ta ai bag te pot sang an kola eta hian pachuaw handloom industry le tom handloom co-op society te ni ta hian lungdum puan a unique in a moi hlom em mei ni en po hian a quality hi a thadon ti hi a hria reng mei tap ani ta hian thil eina chocolate food stall drinks te e tur chi sang te om don ani chite handcraft plaster Zaya bamboo industry the owner shop ani hey stall ni no here we have chhelo handmade these are some of the product they have here. Here we have Zobom handloom industry. All the products they used to display here are made by Mizo people. Here we have hrang2 and handloom industry. WC handloom industry. Inside stall. Outside stall. Here we have hrang2 Chak Handloom and Handcraft Cooperation Society Limited. These are their products.
Oh, anh ấy tỉ thế. Cái đoạn tỉ này cho anh em.
Here we have CNC Tamizo. Mizo traditional ornaments. How beautiful and unique they are. Sai Handloom Industry. And here we have Len Buang Handloom and Handicraft. Here we have Lapar, and these are the products they have here in the stall. Here we go Patsuao Handloom. How unique and beautiful the article they display here. Nice, nice, nice. Here we have Tukrek Handloom Industry and their products. Here we have 10 Zone East Bless Handloom and Handcraft Cooperation Society Limited. And these are the products they display here in their stall. Ten Zone East Handloom Cooperation Society. Ani hi tuna hian ani setup mek ani display alanei nga bialo ani. And here we go how to handloom industry, and these are the products they display here in their stall. How beautiful and unique they are. Please come and do visit.
600.
This is how much?
600.
600. Okay. It's a affordable price, na? It's affordable price, na? It's
Fixed price.
yeah, yeah. Really best for you.
42 om lo mo.
Zone Sang Handloom Cooperation Society Limited. Lukum de.
Again, we have come.
1,500.
Kapi thil ka lo zo lok sa enge I hmuhdan Chapcharkut Stall hi.
He is asking, I am not getting because I know English only.
Oh yeah, please yes, please say in English.
What you are?
Yeah.
Mumbai,
Yeah.
I have come to Mizoram for tourist purpose. But
Okay.
luckily I am here in this festival. So
Okay.
I like the festival very much.
Yeah.
And truly speaking, I like the people around me.
Yeah.
Mostly the ladies. They are
Okay.
Very, very good.
This Chapcharkut is the most important and prestigious day
Yeah.
in Mizoram for Mizo culture.
Yes, everybody
Okay.
is in festival.
Yeah.
They are enjoying that.
Yeah.
Ladies are enjoying much.
Okay.
We took photo with them, And I purchased the traditional Mizo dress.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Definitely wear it.
Please do visit Mizoram Aizawl again, and please explore the Mizo and Aizawl and everything.
I have come very far
We
from the
appreciate
west
it.
to complete east
Okay,
to see the Mizoram.
okay.
I really like it.
Yeah. Thank you very much.